Hey friends, welcome back. We already learned multiple ways how to navigate in VI. We learned navigating character by character, we learned navigating word by word, and we learned navigating within a line. To be able to move even faster, we now want to have a look at how to navigate within text blocks, which means sentences and paragraphs. We also want to have a look at the goto command to quickly navigate to a specific line, to the beginning of the file and to the end of the file. So let's get started. As always, let's start by opening up our lorem ipsum file. The first thing we want to have a look at is how to navigate to the beginning of a sentence. We can use the parenthesis keys for this. The end of a sentence is defined as a period, question mark, or exclamation mark. So when I'm pressing the closing parenthesis, I will navigate to the beginning of the next sentence. When I'm pressing the opening parenthesis, I will navigate to the beginning of the current or the previous sentence. So when I'm navigating into this sentence now and pressing the opening parenthesis, I will navigate to the beginning of the current sentence. And if I'm pressing it again now, I will navigate to the beginning of the previous sentence. The next thing we want to have a look at is how to navigate to the beginning of a paragraph. We can use the opening and closing curly braces for this. In VI, a paragraph is defined as a block of text which is separated by a blank line. So when I'm pressing the closing curly brace now, I will navigate to the beginning of the next paragraph. Similarly, we can use the opening curly brace to navigate to the beginning of the current or the previous paragraph. So when I'm navigating into the next paragraph now, and I'm pressing the opening curly brace, I will navigate to the beginning of the current paragraph. And when I'm pressing it again and again, I will navigate to the beginning of the previous paragraph. The next thing we want to have a look at is the goto command, which can be used to navigate to a specific line, to the end of the file, and to the beginning of the file. In case that you want to use the goto command to navigate to a specific line, it makes sense to have line numbers displayed. I made a video about this, showing different ways how to display and hide line numbers. I can quickly show you one way now, so I will disable line numberings now by using the no number command. If this is your current view in VI, you can use the number command to display line numbers. I would recommend watching my video about displaying and hiding line numbers in VI because I show multiple ways how to display and hide them, as well as how to display them as default when opening a file. Now let's go back to the goto command. Obviously, you can use the goto command to navigate to a specific line. For example, if we wanted to switch to line 11, we would have to type 11 Shift G. The goto command offers two handy features as well. We can use it to navigate to the last line of the file and to the first line of the file. So if I wanted to navigate to the last line of my file, I would have to press Shift G. If I wanted to navigate to the beginning of my file, I would have to press 1 followed by Shift G. Awesome, right? So let's recap what we learned in this video. We learned that you can navigate to the beginning of the current or previous sentence by using the opening parenthesis. You can move to the beginning of the next sentence by using the closing parenthesis. We learned that we can navigate to the beginning of the current or previous paragraph by using the opening curly brace. We can move to the beginning of the next paragraph by using the closing curly brace. We got to know the goto command, which can be used to navigate to a specific line by typing the desired line number followed by Shift G. We can use the goto command to navigate to the last line of the current file by pressing Shift G, as well as to navigate to the beginning of the file by pressing 1 followed by Shift G. Okay, I think that's it. I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye!